isusumbong lang po, maraming nagte-text na sinusubaybayan ang ating hearing ngayon at ang nirereklamo ay hindi lumalabas sa Senate website, pinagbawalan daw. At yung iba naman sa ibang plataforma ng media, pinapatay ang coverage, putol-putol at choppy. Kung pwede lang po, hayaan natin na marinig ng sambayanan ang testimonya ng ating mga Marines.
Salamat po sa inyong ulat, Madam Senator. Talaga pong gagawin nila ang lahat ng kanilang magagawa.
Mr. Chair, I receive information, it's not verified, that the Attorney Bantug, who is not the secretary, ay pinag-utos nga daw to, pati yung, just the website or pati Wi-Fi? Do we have Wi-Fi now in the... What about Wi-Fi? Yeah, so, again, no, kung sino in charge nung website, put it on. If not, kasama din po kayo sa nag-i-interrupt, nag-disturb nung proceeding, because in the digital age, pag ang coverage ng hearing, you interfere with that, you know, that is part of stopping the public from knowing what is happening here. No? So, again, ayoko kayong maipit, pero hindi naman siguro kayo maipit by putting on live kung ano nangyayari dito. That's a matter of... Even our non-hearing events, halimbawa may art fair tayo dyan or may EDCOM report, ay pwedeng ilagay sa website natin. So, there's no legal issue about broadcasting officially from the Senate. Thank you very much for that.